Hello everyone, today I will show you how to save photos on Snapchat. And here's how it's done. Open Snapchat on your phone. You will land on the camera screen. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner. On your profile page, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Memories. Tap on the Save button option. Choose Memories and Camera Roll so your snaps are saved both in Snapchat and your phone's gallery. Go back and find the option Auto Save My Story Snaps. Make sure it is turned on so your story photos are saved automatically. Now return to the camera screen. Take a photo using any lens or the regular camera. Tap the Save icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. And that is everything you need to know about how to save photos on Snapchat. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.